As we meet them for the first time, a litter of Cardigan Welsh corgi puppies are just 6 weeks old. The corgi breed is thought to have existed for over 3,000 years in Wales. But only around 120 Cardigan Welsh corgis were born last year in the UK. Cardigan corgis can be distinguished by their long tails and were originally bred as working dogs for herding livestock. They're famous for their big pointed ears, which begin to stand up from about 5 weeks. Although he's still got floppy ears, Ace stands out from the pack. He's a rare blue merle with a beautiful white coat and blue eyes. He's undoubtedly going to be the star of the show. Ace has got a fine regal pedigree. His mother is an international champion and his dad is also a show dog. A future as a doggy star beckons. That's if he can learn his P's and Q's. The puppies, now in their 6th week, have started to play fight. They're learning how to talk to each other. Using exaggerated bouncy leaps, these corgi pups are playing silly. They take it in turns to chase each other and voluntarily make themselves vulnerable by falling down and exposing their bellies. This first week of play fighting is unusually vicious, as these little pups push the limits of what's acceptable and what just hurts. Ace wears a big open-mouthed grin, and even accompanied by low growling, it's all fun and games. Play fighting is a really important part of their development, as it will help them to understand other canines they come across in the big wide world. Ace is a bit too boisterous with the runt of the litter, Phoebe. She lets him know it. We quickly find out who's really the boss. Perhaps you should pick a fight you can win, Ace. We'll return later to see how Ace and his fellow pups are dealing with new challenges in the world around them.